In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable the Dropbox desktop app's LAN sync feature on your computer, whether you're using Windows or Mac OS. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make adjustments to this functionality to better suit your file sharing needs. First and foremost, you want to ensure that the Dropbox desktop application is up and running on your computer. This is essential for making any changes to the settings we're about to discuss. Once you've confirmed that the app is open, direct your attention to the bottom right section of your screen if you're using Windows, or to the menu bar at the top of your screen if you're on Mac OS. What you're looking for is the Dropbox icon nestled in there, which serves as your gateway to the app's various options. Upon locating the icon, give it a click. This will open a menu where you will see your avatar, which could be your profile picture or your initials, depending on your account settings. Click on your avatar, then select Preferences from the drop-down list. Doing this will pull up the Preferences dialog box, which houses multiple tabs related to the app's different features. Now, within this Preferences window, look for the tab labeled either Network or Bandwidth. You might find it labeled differently as Network Bandwidth, depending on your version of the application. This tab holds all things related to how Dropbox manages data transmissions, including our primary focus today, the LAN sync option. Once inside the Network or Bandwidth tab, keep an eye out for the setting named Enable LAN Sync. You will find a toggle switch next to it. Switch it to the On position to activate this feature. Enabling LAN sync can be particularly useful as it allows your Dropbox to sync files over your local network in a peer-to-peer manner, which can speed up the syncing process significantly compared to syncing solely over the internet. After you've enabled the LAN sync feature, it's crucial to save these settings. Look for either the OK or Apply button at the bottom of the dialog box. Click on it to ensure that the changes you've made are implemented. This step is vital, as failing to save will result in the LAN sync feature remaining disabled. And there you have it. By following these steps, your computer is now ready to sync files over LAN, provided it's connected to the same network as other Dropbox-enabled devices with LAN sync also activated. This can greatly enhance your file management efficiency, especially in environments with multiple Dropbox users on the same network. Thank you for following along, and happy syncing!